Yes friends, so today I am taking questions based on sphere and hemisphere. Okay. Now I've discussed already about what are the spheres and formulae for used for sphere and hemisphere. Okay, half of the sphere is hemisphere. Hemi means half, hemi, demi, semi. That is used for half. Okay, so hemisphere means half of the sphere. Now question is, what are the formulae? First of all I will discuss about what are the formulae of a sphere as well as of hemisphere which are used to solve these questions. Okay, mostly those questions, those formulae are used to solve these questions. Then I'll take these 14 questions I've taken in this left series. So all these questions will clarify the basics of how the spherical formulae and hemispherical formulae are used. Okay, to solve these questions. Let me just discuss about all these questions, because these questions are very important for examination point of view. I have selected all these questions which are from students' site who have appeared in the recent exams. Okay, in most of the exams, higher level exams, IAS, PCS, CAT, MAT, GMAT, GRE, SET, all kinds of examinations, bank provision officers, etc. Okay, so all those questions, number of questions are there, but I have selected a few which are illustrating, which are going to illustrate the topic in detail. Okay, so let me take questions which formulae. First, let me discuss about the formulae just briefly. What are formulae used for a sphere? So, formulae used for number one sphere. Now, in this case, in case of a sphere, only two formulae are there. First formula is, what is the volume? Volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere, it is 4 by 3 pi into r cube, cubic unit. Cubic unit. This is the very first formula. Now, because in case of volume, in capacity of a cylinder, of a sphere in this case, of a sphere, 3-dimensional geometry is used. 3 dimensions are used: radius into radius into radius. In case of cuboid, it was L, B into S, length, breadth and height. In case of cube, it was X cube. In case of cylinder, it was R square into H, height, as well as R 2 times R into R. So they are always, in case of volume finding, 3 dimensions are used, or a multiplication of 3 dimensions, 3 lengths are used, or it may be any unit. Now come to the next thing. Second point is surface area. It is known as total surface area or surface area. Everything is just, well, it is a sphere. What is surface area or curved surface area? It is known as any kind of area. This total surface area or surface area, because in case of a sphere, one surface area is there. So that is surface area, known as surface area. So surface area or curved surface area, total surface area, everything is 1. Okay, in the case of this, where it is 4 into pi into r square, square unit. Now this is the formula used for finding the surface area of a sphere. These two formulae are only basic formulae for a sphere. Now come to the next thing. What is hemisphere then? Hemisphere, half of the sphere. Now in case of a sphere, this is the sphere. 3-dimensional figure, center is O, this is radius R, only one radius is there. 3-dimensional figure, just like a football, volleyball, or ball. Okay, a solid ball. Like hemisphere is just half of the sphere. It may be like this. Now in this case, there is only the radius. This is radius. This is diameter. But the base is circle. Okay. Now in case curved surface area. Now in this case there are two areas. Total surface area means area of the base into curved surface area. So area of the base is, this is circle, so pi r square, and half of the area of the sphere, which is this 4 pi r square, is area of a sphere, and half of this is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square curved surface area plus area of the base means pi r square. So this is 3 pi r square. So there are three formulae in this case. First formula is for volume. What is the capacity of a hemisphere? Volume of a hemisphere. So that formula is simple. The formula, this is just half of this. So this is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Cubic unit. Unit is always cubic unit, that we know about. Second point is curved surface area. Try to understand. This is known as curved surface area. This is a separate, just half of this area, 4 pi r square, which is equal to curved surface area of a hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. The square unit. This is second formula. What is third formula? This is known as total surface area. Total surface area. Now in that situation, this area of the base, just like a apple or just like an orange. Okay, orange is cut in between. That is a hemispherical shape. So this base is a circle. So area of the circle at the top is also added up. This is pi r square plus 2 pi r square. That means 3 pi r square. Try to understand, this is 3 pi into r square. 1 pi r square is added in curved surface area. This is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that means 3 pi r square. The square unit. So these are 3 formulae in case of a hemisphere. Okay, so these are the 5 formulae which are used to solve, to find questions based on sphere and hemisphere. Okay, so all these 5 formulae are, let me use them and solve these questions. Okay, now let me take question number 1. What is the question number 1? Let me discuss about that. Question number 1. What is given to us and what we will find out? Let me just talk about it. Now it says find the surface area and the volume of a sphere, the diameter of which is 40 centimeter. Now what is given to us? A sphere. Given a sphere of diameter equal to 14 centimeter. That means therefore the radius will be, I'm writing here, the radius therefore is 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeter is the radius. To find here, so there are 2 things which we have to find out. First thing is, what is the surface area? Now it says, what is the surface area? First thing is. Second thing is, what the volume of the sphere, what the volume and the volume of the sphere. So these are the 2 formulae of the sphere which are used here. Okay, volume of the sphere. These are 2 things which we have to find out. Solution. See here the solution. Number 1. First is surface area. So surface area. Now in case of a sphere, only one dimension is required, which is radius. The radius is given to us. So surface area of the sphere here, which is given, equal to 4 pi r square unit. This is the formula here. Put the value. 4 into pi means 22.7. R means 7. This is 7 into 7. 1 7 is cancelled out. Okay, so 7 into 7 for 28. So the 28 into 22 is 22 into 28. Let me multiply them 22 and 28 multiplication. This is by basic mathematics. 8 to 16, 6 to 1 carry. 8 to 16, 2 to 4, 16 and 4, 20 and 121, 2 carry. Now 2 to 4. Okay, 2 to 4 and 2, 6. It is 616. This is cube, this is surface area, so it is square unit, means square centimeter. So square centimeter. Square centimeter. This is the answer here. The first answer is 616. Right? 616 square centimeter. This is the first answer. The first part is solved, surface area. Now second part, let me now solve. What is the second part? The volume of this. Now second part is volume. A for the volume, what is the volume? Volume of the sphere. The formula is simple, 4 by 3. This is pi r into cubic unit, cubic centimeter. This is cubic centimeter. Here unit is centimeter. So 4 by 3 pi again 22 upon 7 into r is 7 into 7 into 7, 3 times. 1 7 cancelled out. Now this is, let me take 7 7 49. This is 49. 7 7 and 4 into 22 is 88. So multiplying them, then divided by 3. Okay, so first let me multiply them. 8 9 is 72. 2 7 carry. 8 4 is 32. 9 8 is 72. Addition 2 2 4. 7 and 3. 10. So 104 plus 7. 111. 11 means 111 means 1 carry. 1 here and 11 carries. Now 4 is 32. 4 is 32. Direct multiplication. 32 and 11, 43. So it is 43. This is equal to 43 12. 43 and 12 divided by 3. This is the value. Okay. After multiplication of 32 into 17, this 49 into 88, we have just find out 8 9 is 72, 2 7 carry. 8 4 is 32, 8 9 is 72, 32 and 72 addition will give us 104. 104, okay, plus 7, was 7 was carry here. So 7 plus 104 is 111. 11 means 1 and 11 carry. Okay, and 4 is 32 and 11, 43. So it is 43 this. Okay, so now let me divide it by 3. So finally answer will be 4, 3 1 is 3, 1 carry, 12, 13, 3 4 is 12, 1 carry again. This is 11, 3 9 is 3 3 is 9. Okay, and 11 minus 9 is 2, 22, 11 7 is 21, 1 carry, so this is 1 upon 3. So 1, 4, 3, 7 and 1 upon 3. Oh, I can write point for 10 divided by 3, 0.333. This is 1, 4, 3, 7.33. This is cubic centimeter, cube. This is the volume. Second answer. So second answer is this. So the first question is solved. Finally, we have solved this question number 1. Now let us talk about question number 2. Okay, so both the parts of question number 1 we have solved. Let us now talk about question number 2. What does question number 2 say? Let me check it and then solve it. Okay, so question number 2 says, okay, let me now talk about question number 2. What does it say? Let me change the mark. Okay, now question 2, what is given to us? Let me write here. Question 2 says, 12 lead spheres, each with radius of 8.5 centimeter are melted, okay, into a cylinder of radius 7 centimeter. Find the height. First we have to find what is the height of the cylinder. Okay, so 12 spheres of lead of radius 8.5 centimeter are melted into a cylinder of radius 7 centimeter. Then we have to find out all these things. So let me first write here. What is given to us? 12 spheres. 12 spheres of lead are melted and converted or melt and drawn into and melted into a cylinder and drawn into a cylinder of radius 7 centimeter. What is the radius of the sphere? Each sphere 8.5 centimeter. So 12 spheres of lead are melted and drawn into a cylinder. Each sphere, let me write here, each sphere is of 8.5 centimeter radius. This is 8.5 centimeter radius. Okay, and radius of the cylinder in which these 12 spheres are drawn into, okay, are melted into, is having 7 centimeter radius, the cylinder. So we have to find out what is the, to find here, let me write, let me think, to find here, first part. First we have to find out what is the height of the cylinder. What the height of the cylinder in which those 12 spheres are, height of the cylinder in which 12 lead spheres are melted into. So the height of the cylinder we have to find out. Second thing, what is the total surface area of the cylinder? Second is total surface area. Surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder. Second part, only two parts are there. No problem at all. Let's talk about this. Solution. See here. Now see here the solution. First of all, let me find out the volume of one sphere. Then into 12, the total volume of the 12 spheres is known. Now this volume of 12 spheres must be equal to volume of the one cylinder. And radius is given of the cylinder, then we can find out what is the height of that cylinder. Okay, that is the point. So volume of solution we are finding out. Volume of one sphere is equal to 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3 formula by r cube. Cubic centimeter, this is centimeter cube. Okay. Unit is centimeter cube. Let us put value of r. This is 4 by 3. Pi means 22.7 into r. Radius of sphere was 8.5 centimeter. Let me check again. Okay, each with radius of 8.5 centimeter. This is 8.5 into 8.5 into 8.5. Okay, so if I just divide it by 3, no, not cancelled out. This is 3.145. Just take it. This is the volume of one sphere. Therefore, volume of 12 spheres. Let me now just equate this to volume of the one cylinder. Then we can find out what is the solution here. So, therefore, volume of 12 cylinders, 12 spheres. Therefore, volume of 12 spheres, 12 spheres is equal to 12 into this 4 by 3, 22/7, okay, into 8.5. Let me put it as whole cube. This is the volume of 12 spheres. Now this volume of 12 spheres must be equal to volume of one cylinder. Now let me write here. Therefore, volume of these 12 spheres is equal to volume of one cylinder. Volume of one cylinder. That's the point. Therefore, height of the cylinder equal to, therefore, height of the cylinder. Therefore, height of the cylinder is equal to how much? Let me find height of the cylinder equal to, this is equal to volume of the 12 cylinders, 12 spheres, divided by area of the base of the sphere. Area of the base of the cylinder. Base of the cylinder. Okay, because what is the volume of a cylinder? Area of the base into height. That is volume of the cylinder. So pi r square into h. Okay, this is pi r square only. Okay, so area of the base of the cylinder. Now let me put that value here. So then finally we will calculate that. Therefore, height of the cylinder is equal to, the volume of 12 cylinders is 12 into 4/3. 3 into 22.7 into 8.5 into 8.5 into 8.5 3 times. Okay, now divided by pi into r square. This is 22.7 into, because pi r square, the area of the base of the cylinder is pi means 22.7 into r square. In case of this r is radius of the cylinder is 7. So this is 7 into 7 r square. This will give us height of the, so this pi cancel out. 3 4 are 12. Okay, now 7, when just 7, no, not cancelled out. It's 49 here in the denominator. We are getting here 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 8.5 into 8.5 into 8.5 upon 7 into 7. Now this is height of the cylinder, but this height can be calculated in numerical terms also. For 8.5, then 8.5 can be calculated. So let me now take what is the height of the cylinder. Therefore, height of the cylinder will be 12 spheres of radius 8.5 each are melted into a cylinder of radius 7 cm. Find the height. Okay, so this is height we are calculating. Therefore, height is equal to height of the cylinder equal to this value. So this is 16. Let me just multiply them. 8.5 into 8.5, 9 8 is 72. This is 72.25 into 8.5 further. Upon this is 49. Okay, because 7 is not divisible. So this is the height, value of the height here. Now if I find total surface area and this is height, then we can use it. Finally we can solve. This is height in centimeters. This is centimeter. Okay, because this is the height in centimeters. So if I solve it, 72.25 into 8.5 multiplied, then 16 multiplied, and finally 49 divide. So we can have them in that situation, the value of this. So this is height in centimeters. We can calculate this. If I multiply this, it may take time. No problem. Okay, so let me just first put this is the value of height. First solution. Second is total surface area. Now second part, let me solve it, then finally I will find the values. And total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder is equal to, that is 2 pi r into within bracket r plus h. Okay, this is 2 into 22.7 value of r. Now r is 7 here, radius of the cylinder. 7 is now r is 7 plus h is this value. Now this is not cancelled out because 8.5 the value is, and 7 1 just 7 one time, and 7 to the 14. Now if I take it as 84, then it would be cancelled out. If I just assume that this is not 8.5 but it is 8.4, and 7 1 just 7, 1 carry, so it is 14, then 7 to the 14, it will be then 1.2. Let me take it is 1.2. In case of 8.5, if I take, so approximate value I'll calculate. Let me take the approximate value. Okay, so here it was, let me take 8.4 into 8.4 into 8.4, no problem. Now if I divide it by 7, so 7 into 7, 1 7 times, this is 7 1 just 7, 1 to 2, again 7, this is 1.2. Okay, and if it is 8.5, no problem. 1 I am taking 8.5. This is near about value. So this will be then 1.12 to 1.2. That will be 1.44. 7 denominator is cancelled out. So we have to just multiply these two values. This is 16 into 12, 1.44 into 8.5. 8.5 5 means upon 10, let me take point is removed. Now 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 30, 17, and this is 5 2 is 8 times. Okay, so in that way we can calculate this value. So this is, let me write here, the height. So h height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder is equal to, we are calculating this height of the cylinder. So this is 8 into, because this 2 cancel out, so it is 8 into 1.44 into 17 only. So this is the value of the height. About this 8.4, I have taken the exact value, because by 8.5, but I have taken 8.4 just to cancel out by 7. Okay, so denominator was cancelled out. This is the value here. Now if I put here, this is 8 into 1.44 into 17 into 17. So in the, this is 7 cancelled out. This is 44 into the total surface area is this much square unit, square centimeter. So this is 7 plus, and this 17 into 8 and 1.4, let me multiply this. 8 7 is 56, 6 5 carry, 8 1 is 8 and 5, 8 and 5 30, 8 and 5, yeah 30. This is 165 into 1.44. Let me find exact value. What is the exact value of height? So this is 4 6 is 24, 4 2 carry, right? Then 4 2 4 3 are 12, and 4 4 4 6 are 24 and 12 36. 36 plus 2 38. This is 8. 3 carry. 4 1 is 4, 6 1 is 6 10. 3 4 is 12 and 10 22 and 3 25. 2 carry. Then 4 1 is 4, 3 1 is 4 7. 7 and 2. 7 and 2 9. Then 1 1 is 1. This is the value here. Point is after 2 decimals. This is 1. Let me take the height. 195.84. About this value. So this is the centimeter in centimeter. This value is there. So this is, let me add here, 195.84. This is height centimeters. Okay, this is the first answer. Then second answer, in this case, if I add them, let me add the total surface area here. This is total surface area. This is equal to 44 into the bracket 7. If I add 7 plus 5 12, 2 1 carry, 1 and 9 10 0 1 carry. This is 202.84 multiplied by 44. So let me multiply this by 44. This is square centimeter, square total surface area. If I multiply by 4 first, 4 4 is 16, 6 1 carry, 4 is 32 and 1 33, 3 carry. Then 4 2 is 8 and 3, 8 and 3 11, 1 carry, 1 complete, and 4 2 is 8. Same value, 6 3 1 1 8. Now adding them, 6 6, 3 plus 6 9, 4 2 9 8. Okay, so this is the final value. 8 9 2 4 9 6. Point is up to 2 decimals. So this is square unit. This much value is square centimeter. Square centimeter. So this is second answer. Total surface area of the cylinder thus formed. Okay. This is 8,924.96 approximate value. This is approximate. Let me write here approximate value, because I took in place of 8.5 as 8.4 just to cancel out by 7. 7 is 7, 7 is 14. So that way I just took in place of 8.5 as 8.4. In that way we can find approximate value. This is approximate value. Exactly, if you have the calculator, then can find out easily. I could multiply that, but it would take more time. Okay, it's not so, difficult task. Now let me take question number 3. Now question number 3, what does it say? Question number 3. Yes guys, so question number 3, before that